So I've just gotten out of the shower. I washed my hair. I'm going to go in now with my K18 leave-in treatment. I'm going to apply, it says to start with about 4 pumps. I have thick hair, so I'm going to go with 6. So a couple of extra pumps. I part my hair on the right usually, so I tend to see more damage over here on the left. So I'm going to go in and brush and distribute the product through using my fingers. And now I'm going to let this sit for 4 minutes. Okay, so I have let the K18 do its thing for 4 minutes, and now I'm going to go in with the rest of my styling routine. And I've decided I'm going to go straight hair today because number 1, my boyfriend likes it because I wear my hair curly all the time. And number 2, I want to see, I've been trying to grow my hair back out, how much length I actually have. So I'm going to go in with some pre-styling leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to apply a product that will smooth out my hair as I dry it. Okay. And I'm gonna go in again with my detangler brush. I just love this brush so much. Something else interesting you should know that is happening this weekend is we have 2 graduations and a birthday happening between the couple of households that I am apparently part of this weekend. So just to give you a little bit of background, my partner and I, between the 2 of us, we have 5 kids. Okay. If you had told me years ago that I would raise an only child only to wind up in the lives of 5 children, I would have thought you were insane. But 5 kids, the youngest is turning 16 this year, 1 just turned 18. We have 2 turning 21, including my son. And we have 1 graduating from high school and 1 graduating from college, 2nd college degree for this kid. And I think it's really funny and interesting to note that the 2 soon-to-be 21-year-olds, 1 goes to UC Berkeley, the other is planning to go to Berklee College of Music. So the names of their schools are homophones. I just love it so much, and I absolutely love all of these kids. They are just amazing, smart, wonderful human beings, and really looking forward to celebrating them all. Okay, so my hair, I just finished drying it. I have a special styling tool that dries it and straightens at the same time, but I wanted to show you, look at how soft and silky and smooth my hair is after using the K18 hair mask. It just kind of like does wonders for me, quite honestly. Helps to repair damage, helps to smooth out the cuticle a little bit. I'm going to finish doing my hair. I'm going to do it in a little bit of a style for tonight and throw on some makeup because I am completely barefaced right now, and I will show you the final result. And here's the final look. Soft, shiny, smooth, a little undone. And I have a surprise in store for my boyfriend when I see him next. It involves what you see hanging on the door behind me. But I am pretty happy with how this turned out. And also with how healthy my hair looks. It's very full, has lots of body, and definitely lots of movement.